Installing the drive. For configurations with one 7mm or 15mm drive, find the cable with a plugger marked SSD0/2 and connect the drive cable. Turn the drive over. Install the drive into the drive cage. Secure the unconnected cable plugger on the top of the drive cage. For configurations with two 7mm drives, if necessary, install the conduction plate into the bottom of the drive cage and secure it with 4 screws. Make sure the metal tab is in the unlocked position. Find the cable with a plugger marked SSD0/2 and connect the drive cable. Install the drive into the bottom of the drive cage and make sure it is secured in place. Find the cable with a plugger marked SSD1/3 and connect the drive cable. Press the upper drive into the drive cage. Push and hold the release latch. Slide the metal tab to the locked position. Install the drive cage. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.